Hello everyone, please welcome and join me Easy Steps Cooking. Today I'm going to share with you a vegetarian dish. It's a dal. It's called Red Chori. This is how it looks. I'm going to use 1 cup and I'm going to wash it, and I'm going to use 1 yellow onion. I'm going to dice the onion. The spices from my masala dabba, which is our spice rack, and then olive oil for tadka, and you can use any vegetable oil. I'm going to use 4 cups of water. Onion is diced. Dal is washed with the cold water. So I'm going to use ginger garlic paste. I'll get pressure cooker. I'll bring dal, 1 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon turmeric powder. These are the only 2 things we're going to need, and then we're going to add 4 cups water. We're going to put the lid on, and now we're going to put it on the gas. I have my pressure cooker ready, and we're going to start the gas, and we're going to keep the gas on high, and I'll bring the pressure cooker, and we're going to wait for 2 whistles. Once we're going to hear the second whistle, then I'm going to turn off the gas. We have our second whistle, and I'm going to turn off the gas. And once the pressure is going to subside, there is no more pressure. If we check like this, if there is no more pressure, then we're going to open the pressure cooker. Our dal is in a cooling process, and we're going to start tadka. So I'm going to get fry pan, and we're going to start gas on high. I'll bring olive oil. You can use any vegetable oil. 1 tablespoon olive oil. 1 teaspoon cumin seed. Jeera. This is the ginger garlic paste we made. Mix it. And we're going to cook it like 1 minute. We're going to spray out the oil, and we're going to cook like 1 minute. Only thing is, I just want no garlicky flavor. Cooking for 1 minute. Now I'm going to bring onions. Mix it well. We're going to saute our onion until they become translucent. Cooking our tadka for 4 minutes. They are nicely transparent, and tadka is looking good. Now I'm going to bring the gas on medium, and we're going to bring the spices. I'm going to use a tomato sauce. It's organic tomato sauce. 1/4 cup. 1 teaspoon garam masala, coriander powder, 1 teaspoon, black pepper, 1 teaspoon, cumin powder, 1 teaspoon. And we're going to mix it well. And we're going to cook our tomato sauce along with our tadka and all other dry spices. We're going to cook it for 1 minute. Cooking our spices and tomato sauce with tadka for 1 minute. The oil starts to ooze out, so our tadka is fully cooked. Now we can check on a pressure cooker. No more pressure. Let me move this one back and bring this one in the front. This is how it looks. I can check the dal. Yes, it's nicely done. And now I'm going to bring my kadai back. Transport dal into our fry pan. It's nicely clean. Now we're going to mix it with our tadka. Once the tadka is nicely incorporated, initially we added 4 cups water. This is the perfect, like to see my dal running. So I'm going to add 1 cup more water, and please make sure that add hot water. This is hot water. 1 cup. Mix it. After mixing it well, I'm going to cover with the lid, and on medium gas, we're going to cook it for 5 minutes. If you add cold water, then bring your gas to high and then cook for 5 minutes. Since we added the hot water, 5 minutes on medium gas. Cooking our dal exactly 5 minutes on medium gas. I'm going to start the fan and I'm going to open the lid. Mix it. Wow, it's nicely done. And now the last ingredient. I'm going to bring cilantro. It's dry cilantro. 1 teaspoon. Mix it well. And I'm going to turn off the gas. And we're going to dish out. I have my serving bowl ready. And our delicious dal. And I'm going to share with you. Our quick and easy red chori dal is all ready, and please try it and you're going to like it. This is very easy to make and it's very tasty, super delicious and very healthy. You can serve with the roti, chapati, fulka, naan, tortilla, even bread, and best of all with rice flour. If you like this recipe, please like this video and subscribe Easy Steps Cooking. And I'm going to see you soon with the new recipe. Best of all, Easy Steps Cooking. Thank you and have a good day. Bye-bye.